What's up, guys? Air Funner Moots here, and we got a treat today. Just came in the BinTac T9. Oh yeah, check it out, guys. Semi-automatic, 357, 9mm, 8 shots, as fast as you can pull the trigger. Dual tanks, hot swappable in the front. So that means you could carry an extra one in your backpack, pull this one off, put a full one on, you got more shots. We're gonna get this thing filled up, 4,500 PSI, and we'll be back. What's up, guys? Air Funner Moots back here with the BinTac T9. We got some 81 grain pellets right here, all loaded up. Now we're actually using an HP Max 357 magazines, the same magazine. Only difference is these ones are plastic, whereas the T9 comes with some nice aluminum ones. We're going to get this loaded up, show you what she could do on the chronograph. Ooh. All right, this is shot number 2, third magazine.